Shane here from Organix Agency. It's about dinner time, but I wanted to create another video showing some of the results been able to get for clients that hire us to do their SEO or their Google My Business Management. Right. At the end of the day, we're creating assets. We're building out your assets for you, whether that's Google My Business or your website. We're creating more content. We're creating more links, and essentially getting your name out there more often and frequently on a monthly, on a weekly basis by doing press releases, creating links, and right, those content pieces are gonna stack over time. And that's basically what we're doing. And that turns into results. So that's all I'm showing. There are a lot of folks out there will kind of like tell you all kind of like stuff in terms of like the weird stuff they're gonna do to your website and whatnot. But we like to keep it straightforward. We focus on like content and links, and there are different types of like content and links. But at the end of the day, we don't want you to get hit by some kind of like penalty or whatnot. So yeah, basically this is a window, as you can see, window replacement repair company. So we've been working with them for a while now. As you can see, it was pretty terrible even like a month ago. So this is the period we're testing out a new tool at the moment. So that's why it doesn't go back even further. But between April and May right now, and right now it's about June. So I would say the end of April. So like that's almost a month or just over a month, right? You can see the difference in terms of ranking. So before there was a ton of red. The share of local voice was like 1%. He ranked on average for this area ninth. The same here. You can see the share of local voice going up, and on average, he was still ranking on average ninth position. So it's right in this area here. He was the ninth company that Google would like recommend to their users. Now you can clearly see there's a difference. Now he's on average the fifth company, and the share of local voice, meaning how much mention of his company, how saturated his brand in this area, it's gone up significantly, right? From about like 1% up to like 14%. I don't know, like I'm not good at math, so this is probably like a 1400% increase, right? I'm not sure, but it's quite a lot when you think about it. And that's right. That's what we want to see over time, because it's going to result in leads. As soon as he starts ranking, as you can see here in the top three position, that's where more calls are going to come from. Now, if we look at another keyword, window replacement, we can see a similar tendency where it goes from on average like 2%. On average, he's ranking the 10th company, and there's a lot more red and orange. But as we go along, we can see that it's turning green. So these are the results we like to see. The same happens here, right? We can just see again and again door replacement. This one was a bit less green a while back, and then as you can see right now, he's breaking into like the top three position, those areas with the stars. And then here there are a ton more areas where he's just essentially like ranking top three. So that's what we do for this client. We're basically we do like a full marketing plan where we take care of their hosting, we take care of their website maintenance, and make sure that it's fast, because website speed and how your website function matters for SEO, and it matters in terms of like how you rank and how much customers you're able to get. So we take care of that, and then we also right, we focus on like website. So if you have like a website that was built a couple of years ago, or it just wasn't built properly because you hired a designer that has no clue about SEO or whatnot, we can take care of that. We have professional designers on board. So if you want something custom, we can do that. Or if you want something standard, we can do that also. And then once your website is there, you don't just want it to be sitting, just catching dust and not doing much. We can then start working on like a plan to do monthly SEO for you. And monthly SEO involves creating more content and more links and keeping your website in good state. and that's how you're going to rank. That's how your Google My Business is going to perform much better than it's already performing right now. If it's not, then it just means that you haven't been doing much, right? Companies like these, right, they're investing in their SEO, they're investing in the management of their Google My Business, and they have someone on their team that's taking care of their website, and it's going really well. So once you start getting calls from Google and you start getting calls from your website, you're gonna see that it's an asset and it shouldn't be a liability. You should be earning way more money from your website than that you're spending on it on a monthly basis. All right. So just reach out to me if you have any questions or if you need anything in terms of I don't know, website or design or anything like that. I'm happy to help. We have a team on standby to help you with anything, even like CRM or automation. All right, cheers.